Like ghost noises? Like ghost
She's videotaping it, isn't she?
I don't know. Yes.
Oh my god.
We're on the train
Where are you guys dying?
in the metro.
My phone's at 1%.
My phone's
It's probably dead now.
my phone's at 12%.
Viewing at 12%.
Ooh, a light.
My
Oh.
phone died in my pocket.
But like my phone went down 4%. That's not normal.
My phone died in my pocket.
Beautiful.
I didn't know you were taking a picture for a second. I thought that was bad. I was like, I can't deal with this right now. Like, slithering. On advancement drive. I'm too tired.
I can't
Literally,
even
someone's like, all right,
I can see. I don't like the dark. No one can see my awesome hair.
7 days.
I can't throw my baseball. It's too dark. Okay, seriously, we're not
No,
moving.
man,
We're like in the
I
middle of a
can't
tunnel.
right now.
The train is really dark.
I have things I
It's
have to
spooky.
do.
We are in the middle of a tunnel and not moving.
Yeah, sadly.
What is going on? I think all power is out on this train because I don't think the person up front can see. That's why they stopped.
Oh, great. Thanks for the reassurance, friend.
No, seriously, I think that's why we're stopped.
That we're not.
Because I think the power is out on the train or something.
This is my last will and testament. If anybody would like to divide any of my assets, please leave them all to my husband.
See, next thing you know, like
I'm on Metro Train car number 1030, yellow and green line. We're going the wrong way.
Why are we going the other way?
What? Are we going the other way?